All right, today we're going to talk about the preposition about. The most common meaning of about as a preposition is on the subject of or connected with. Here's some examples. Amelia started having headaches every day, and that made her begin to worry about her health. She started to learn about meditation and relaxation techniques. She wanted to try natural ways to make herself feel better. She started reading about the power of nature. Taking walks in the forest and breathing fresh air helped her clear her mind. She started reaching out to friends and began talking about her problems. Slowly but surely, Amelia started feeling better about her life. Her headaches went away and she began to feel healthy and happy. What do you wish you knew more about? Learn and study English with MC Consult ESL.